Good day everyone, I'm Ivan Rivera from STEM 12 Trails and this is my performance task number 1 in general physics. So our topic for today is all about resultant vector using component method. This is our given from vector number 1, 2, 3, and 4.
As you can see, this is our given. The letter A, B, C, and D represent the vector 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, let's distribute the given of each vector sa ating table. As you can see, the vector 3 and 4 have no delta. To find the delta or degree, we will take a look at the direction. Since ang direction nila ay south and north, ang magiging delta nila ay 90 degree. But if the given direction is east and west, the delta will be 0 degree. Now, using our scientific calculator, let's find the value of x and y in each vector. To find the value of x and y in each vector, I will write down the formula. But before we solve the value of x and y in each vector, let's find first the sign of each vector. As you can see, the direction in vector number 1 is south of west. Let's take a look at our Cartesian plane. So, as you can see here, the sign of the south of west is both negative. So, our sign will be negative and negative. For our vector number 2, the direction is north of west. Let's take a look again in our Cartesian plane. As you can see here, the sign of north of west is negative and positive. So our sign will be negative and positive. For the vector number 3, since the south is in the y-axis, the value of x on vector 3 will be 0. And since the south is located in the lower part of our Cartesian plane, the sign will be negative. For the vector number 4, since the north is in the y-axis too, the value of x on the vector will be 0. And since the north is located on the upper part of our Cartesian plane, the sign will be positive. Now, let's answer the value of each vector using the formula and our scientific calculator. Now, we are done answering the value of each vector. We will now add all the value of x and y to know the sum of x and y. Now that we are done finding the sum of x and y, we will now get the resultant. The formula of the resultant is the square root of the resultant of x quantity squared plus y quantity squared. Now, the value of the resultant of vector is 8.71 magnitude. To find the delta, the formula is the inverse of the tangent of y and x. Using my scientific calculator, the value of our delta is negative 7.6 degree. Since the answer is negative, we need to get the absolute value. Now, our final answer is 8.71 magnitude at 7.6 degree. Now, to find the direction, let's take a look in the sign of x and y here. So as you can see, the sign of x is negative and the y is positive. Now our sign will be north of west. So our final answer is 8.71 magnitude at 7.6 degree north of west.
So that's all guys, thank you for watching my video. Keep safe and God bless to everyone. Goodbye.